Hello everyone, today we're going to resolve LeetCode daily problem number 1128, number of equivalent domino pairs. Again, domino problem. It's an easy problem, but I wouldn't say it's so easy as it looks like. So, here we're given a list of dominoes, and we have dominoes I, which will equal to array A and B, is equivalent to dominoes J, which array C and D. If and only if either A equals C and B equal D, or A equal D, B equals C. That is one. One domino can be rotated to be equal to another domino. So we should return the number of pairs I and J for which I bigger equal 0, J bigger I, domino length bigger than J, and domino I is equivalent to dominoes J. So here we have few examples when dominoes 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and output 1, as only one type of dominoes can be checked. 1, 2, and 2, 1. Other are not equal. In input other example, we have input dominoes 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. In output only 3, because only 3 dominoes can be combined here. So we can imagine solving this problem in a good story. In the bustling city of Chronopolis, time was the most precious resource. Citizens keep pair of hourglasses, each showing 2 scent-filled bubbles, top and bottom. 2 hourglasses were equivalent. If you could flip one and it looked exactly like other, the mayor needed to know how many such equivalent pairs exist among the collection, so she could schedule maintenance efficiently. Inspired by Brian Tracy's Master Your Time, Master Your Life, the townspeople learned that organizing tools by simple habits like always storing smaller bubbles first made counting and planning a breeze. By normalizing every hourglass, placing the smaller bubbles capacity first, and keeping a running frequency tally, they could instantly know how many matches each new hourglass formed. No wasted step, just a clear routine that saved both time and effort. So here we will use normalization with frequency count. We will have fixed data structure and our time complexity will be big of n, and space complexity will be fixated, as we will create fixated list as our counter. So first of all, we will create our list, which will be frequency equal to 0 multiplied by 100. Then our return total, which will be equal to 0. After that, we will check for A and B in dominoes. So we will create normalized key, smallest number first. So in our key, A multiplied by 10 plus B if A less or equal to B, else B multiplied by 10 plus A. Then we will add existing matches to our result. Key. And lastly, we will increment our frequency counter. After this, we can return total number of pairs A and G that follow required rules. So let's run it and submit. And it's pretty efficient. So thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down below. Have a nice day. Bye.